All right, greetings and salutations, everybody. So what's going to happen today is going to be a Tabata format workout. So a Tabata format workout is you're going to do 8 rounds, and it'll be 20 seconds of the exercise with a 10-second rest, and then you're going to repeat. So the 3 exercises are going to be squats, Russian twist, and high knees. The tricky part about this one is that you will just do 8 rounds of squats. So it'll be squats 20 seconds, rest 10 seconds. Squats 20 seconds, rest 10 seconds for 8 rounds. And then you will go to the Russian twist, and then you will go to high knees. So I'm going to demonstrate each of these 3 exercises briefly, and then I'm going to go and do each of these exercises 2 rounds using the timer that we have here that you have on your Google form. Obviously, if there's any questions or concerns, you can go ahead and email any one of us or your teachers for clarification. So the first exercise is squats, and again, feet shoulder width apart, shoulder blades back, going down, making sure that your butt goes back like you're sitting on a chair. The second one is Russian twist, and right now we just have a soccer ball, just giving you something to hold as you're practicing things. You can use really ideally anything. The heavier it is, the more challenging. I'm going to put my feet on the ground to give me more support. If you want to make it more challenging, you can go ahead and elevate your feet, but also making sure you're keeping your shoulder blades back and not rounding. But for the sake of the exercise today, just soccer ball going back and forth, nice and comfortable. And then the last one, high knees. And for here again, putting your hands about waist level, and then just going up to your hands. That will be the goal. Again, some of you are going to struggle with either the squats, the Russian twist, the high knees. Modify if necessary, but as things become challenging, finding ways to work through those challenges instead of just going ahead and stopping. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and start with the squats here. It's already set up. There's a little tab that says Tabata on this, so go ahead and just click on that. This is here set up for 8 rounds, 20 seconds, 10-second rest. So first thing I'm going to do is going to be squats. Okay. So 2 rounds here, 20 seconds. Now I'm going to face this way so I can see the timer. It's paused here for a second. There we go. So I did 14, so I'm going to rest for 10 seconds, and I'm going to go right back to squats. So I'm doing 8 rounds total. I'm just going to demonstrate 2 rounds of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, 14 on both rounds, just to give you an idea. So now it's going to be Russian twist. I already went ahead and demonstrated, so I'll just go start now so I can get this going in here in a couple seconds. So, and again, keeping your feet on the floor makes it a little bit easier. If you want a challenge, you can lift your feet, keeping your head straight, and doing your best to touch the whatever item you have in your hand. Obviously, the heavier it is, the more challenging it's going to be. And I'm going to rest real quick here for 10 seconds. And again, some of these you're going to find really easy. Squats may be easier than Russian twists or vice versa, or high knees. So just, see how it goes. All right, so there goes that one. Then I'm going to take a little bit of 10-second break here and high knee. So I'm going to get ready to go just for the sake of speeding through this workout here. Hands here, and trying to get your knees to your hands, nice and comfortable and controlled. This one might be a little challenging to count because you're doing so many and focusing. And I'm going to face this way because I just realized that obviously I couldn't see how much time I had left. Obviously they have a little beeper, so it makes that's helpful. But again, for the sake of this last one, I'll just face the computer laptop. All right, so again, what I would do, again, 6 more of the squats, 6 more of the Russian twists, 6 more of the high knees, and then I go ahead and maybe you want to have paper and pen to write down some things, but keep track of it when you answer the 3 to 5 questions we have after the Google form. All right, good luck.